Find all the solutions for 2/5 times cos theta equals root 2 over 5. I have to get theta all by itself, so let's start out by multiplying the bottom and the top, or better yet, multiplying both sides by 5 over 2. Let's just do the reciprocal, probably a whole lot easier. That way you cancel out, cos theta is all alone. You guys cancel out, and that gives me root 2 over 2. And you're like, whoa, buddy, all that space, why? Well, the next step is to get theta all by itself. And to get theta all by itself, we inverse cosine both sides, which is why I needed that space. So now theta is the inverse cosine of root 2 over 2. Now, what this is asking is cosine of what angle gives me root 2 over 2. So now I need to think unit circle thoughts. So unit circle thoughts, cosine is an x value. In this case, cosine is a positive x value because this is a positive number. So when I take the cosine of whatever angle I come up with, I'm going to end up with a positive number. So x is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. So let me draw the unit circle there. Which point of my triple point thing here and here is going to give me an x value of root 2 over 2? Well, right in the middle. And right in the middle as it corresponds over here. Now, this is 1/4 of its way from 0 to 2 pi, which means, 0 to regular pi. Regular pi, boy, would that change things. Which means 1/4 of a pi is pi over 4. So theta is going to be pi over 4, which means you are going to be negative pi over 4. If I knew how to draw the line correctly and drew it to the right spot, you would be negative pi over 4, which is taken away from 2 pi, which is 7 pi. That was me trying to erase. Oh, sorry. Please like and subscribe. Which is going to be 7 pi over 3. So that's my other option. 7 pi over 4. Now my job is to find all the solutions, which means I could get pi over 4. And I could spin it around either direction and get plus 2 pi, and then plus 2 pi again, or minus 2 pi, or minus 2 pi again. So how do we write all of that out? Well, we'll say that theta is going to be x over 4, or pi over 4, and every time I added 2 pi. So I will add plus 2k pi. And you might be like, whoa, 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 what's k? K is any integer. Okay. So if I were to add 0, I'd get pi over 4. Or if I were to make k 1, it would be plus 2 pi. Or if I were to make k negative 1, minus 2 pi, so on and so forth. So if I do that to pi over 4, I'm going to have to do that to 7 pi over 4 as well. So 7 pi over 4 plus 2k pi, where k represents any integer. So a little bit of artistic slip-ups over here. But you know what? In the end, it doesn't even matter. Lincoln Park. Like and subscribe.